Hi everyone, in this video we see how I build a shed with a bolted structure starting from a drop up to the complete shed. Do you want a project like this or do you want a tailor-made project? To start, I made a rock draft of the shed, the steel structure and the concrete base. After deciding on the dimensions of the shed, I made a technical drawing of the truss and calculate how much material was needed. Then I dedicate myself to building the concrete base. Once the concrete base was ready, I calculated the dimensions, the corners, the holes, and I purchased the steel profiles. Then I built all the elements that make up the structure of the shed. The elements of the structure are ready. I calculate how many bolts are needed to assemble the structure, and once purchased, we start assembling the shed. The steel structure is now assembled. Consider that the structure can be covered with the different materials. In this case, I apply insulate panels. Before concluding, if you like this video, click like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and share the video with your friends. As I told you at the beginning of the video, if you want to build a shed like this, and you need the plan to build one, in the description you will find all the information to purchase one of my projects. I will make other videos in which I will show how to cut all the profiles and much more, also improving the quality of the videos. Thanks for watching.